Today is January 15th. Shane has his car out. And, yeah. Drive into the box.
Good.
Shane.
Oh, good. Now this is the baby that we're dealing with right now. Yeah.
The Caldera 10E.
Almost new.
Yeah, it's like a month old.
Oh, a couple months. Like 2 months.
Oh, yeah. January 15th. And I made a homemade tattoo. Because it was lunchtime and I was super bored. Yeah. So this is Shane's Caldera 10E. Top speed 35 miles an hour. Electric. 40?
40 miles an hour.
Miles an hour or kilometers?
Miles.
40 miles an hour. It's the truck with the bumpers, and he's got a custom spoiler on here. See? Caldera. But it's meant for the buggy. But,
yeah, the buggy's low on battery right now, so.
Yeah, so we can't do that. So, it has good suspension.
And front and
And
back.
front suspension. But the parts keep falling off in the hubs. Right in there.
Those are right in here.
Yeah, I know, the front hubs. Oh, I'm burning my hand. The front hubs right there. Right in there, see? That screw right there.
That piece of shit.
Yeah, it keeps falling out. Same with this one. That bolt right about there, yeah, right there. Sorry, it's not focused.